Introducing the EVAPLUS 42V 2A84W power adapter, the perfect solution for charging your Lime scooter, Ninebot, Xiaomi M365 Pro, and more. Compatible with a wide range of electric scooters, this power adapter is specifically designed for various scooter models. Featuring a US-style plug and a universal input of 100 240V at 50-60 Hz, this power adapter delivers a fast and efficient charge to your scooter's lithium-ion battery. Equipped with indicator lights, it allows you to monitor the charging status easily. With an output of DC 42V at 2A, you can quickly power up your scooter and get back on the road in no time. The red light indicates the battery is charging, while the green light signals when the charge is complete. Compatible with Bird, Lime, Lime S, Skip, Spin electric scooters with 36V Li-ion battery. Keep your electric scooter charged and ready for your next adventure with the EVAPLUS 42V 2A84W power adapter. We stand behind the quality of our product, offering a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, simply let us know and we'll make it right. Power up your ride with the EVAPLUS 42V 2A power adapter.